Okay, so we have started planting our garden. This is going to be our spring summer garden. On the first row, you can already see some sprouts of mustards coming up. I put mustard greens on this first row. And then for the next 3 rows, these are okra on the next 3 rows. And then, watch yourself. And then on these next 3 rows is squash. Summer squash it's summer squash mixed with crookneck squash. And then all I got is 1 row of corn. And then I have watermelon, cucumber, and then I have, after the watermelon and cucumber, I have butter beans, and I have my side, he has his side. And the gnats are back. Yes, they are. So we're gonna wrap this up, but everything has been planted on my side. I think he got a few more rows on his side he wants to do, but that is it, and we'll be back to give you some updates on our garden growth. Thanks for watching.